Hey guys, welcome to your dreams. Welcome back to Dreams on Emulsion channel. And this one I'll try to keep it short. It's just like a quick tip about a problem I faced, and this is kind of my solution. I did not find a better way to solve this problem. So I have this mixer here, the Behringer Xenyx QX1002 USB. So Xenyx QX1002 USB, the Behringer mixer, and I love it. It serves as a mixer, obviously, because I have several inputs. Doesn't really matter how many PCs I have. So it works as a mixer. It works as my audio interface. It has some effects. Hello. It's great all around. I love it. For the price I paid, zero complaints. I'm going to leave a link down below, so if you want to purchase it. I'm considering doing a more lengthy review about this mixer, but for now, just consider I have it. And I have I don't say if it's I call it a problem. I have an issue with it, and that issue is, for example, right now I'm recording a video, and if I am monitoring everything through the headphones socket on the mixer, I'm hearing myself. I hear the mic input, which is good. I can monitor the mic levels and the equalization and the compression. And it's great. I can monitor my voice, and that's good when I'm doing something like this, recording a YouTube video. But in other situations, I'm live streaming games on Twitch, for example, or live streaming on YouTube, and I'm listening my gaming sounds and my music PC sounds. I have a PC just to play the music. Never mind. So I have several inputs that are useful for me for that live stream or for that video. And often at times it's lengthy. I'm streaming 3 hours, 4 hours. And I'm constantly hearing myself on the headphones. I hear the games, everything, all the stuff's coming in. But I'm constantly hearing my voice. And after a while it gets annoying. I don't want to listen to myself constantly. Okay? I can look at the levels on OBS. So, or whatever live streaming software I'm using, and I can monitor my levels. Okay. But I don't want to keep listening to me. Do you know what I mean? So I know everything's good because I've experimented a lot with this, and the levels look okay, but I don't want to be listening to myself constantly. So that's a problem. I went to the Behringer's forum. I went I Googled it, I even YouTubed it, looking for a solution to my problem, and I failed to do so. Apparently, by design, this mixer and other mixers that have the same issue, there is no way to avoid hearing yourself if you are using the mixer's audio interface for the microphone. So I thought about many solutions, and even considered buying a separate audio interface just for the mic, so I could avoid hearing myself. But if this mixer has an audio interface, why should I buy a separate interface if I have one here? So how can I avoid listening to the microphone, and listening to other inputs? So my solution was, or is, and it's the best one I've found so far, is I had an older mixer, and basically I have my most used, the PCs I want to listen to connect to that other mixer, and that's where I monitor the gaming and music audio. That mixer goes through to an input to my Behringer, and my Behringer connects to my streaming or recording PC. I'm going to put some B-roll with all the images, but it's quite simple. I just got an older mixer where on that older mixer, it does not have to be an older mixer. It can be the same mixer exactly, another Behringer Xenyx QX1002 USB. It can be another one like this one, but I use another one because I already had it. So my gaming PCs, music PCs, all of that stuff are connected to my secondary. It's called secondary, my secondary mixer, and that secondary mixer goes to my Behringer mixer. Okay, so basically it's mixing. A mixer is getting directed to the Behringer, and the microphone it's also connected to the Behringer, and the USB interface goes to my recording and streaming PC. My phones are connected to the secondary mixer, so I hear everything from the secondary mixer, and I'm hearing the games, I'm hearing the music and all of that, but I'm not listening to my voice. Done. Quite simple. I have a pair of headphones connected to the Behringer mixes output to monitors if I need to. I just pick them up, put them there. Oh, it's good, and there. But my main phones, the ones you see here, and I have a review of them here linked. They are connected to my secondary mixer, and I hear the music, the games, everything through the secondary mixer. And my microphone is getting mixed on the Behringer, which goes to the USB to the capture PC. So I only listen to the music and to the games. I don't listen to my voice constantly, and that's a big relief. Okay, just a quick tip. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. If you do, let me know. I'm really happy to answer them. Please like and subscribe. That really helps, and I see you on the next one.